In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font on MailerLite. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can update your email's look without any guesswork. First, start by logging into your MailerLite account. Once you're in, head straight to the campaign section. This is where all of your email drafts and sent campaigns live, and it's the place you'll work from whether you're updating an existing message or starting fresh. Open an email campaign you want to edit, or create a new one if you're building something from scratch. Either way, the next move is to launch the drag and drop editor. This visual editor is where the design work happens, and it's what lets you change your font without touching any code. Inside the editor, click on a text block in your email. It can be a headline, a paragraph, or any text element you want to restyle. Clicking the text block does two important things. It activates that block for editing, and it opens the settings for that block in the right-hand sidebar. If you don't see the sidebar options, make sure the text itself is selected. Fonts are controlled at the block level, so the settings only appear when a text block is active. Now look to the right sidebar and find the section labeled Typography, or in some versions, Font Family. MailerLite may show either term depending on the template or editor version you're using, but both point you to the same place. The controls for your font. This panel is where you select the font family for the selected text. As you choose a different font, you'll see the change reflected immediately in the editor, so you can confirm the style fits your design and brand tone. A few quick tips while you're here. Keep readability front and center, especially for body copy. Clean, web-safe fonts tend to perform best in inboxes. If you're pairing a headline font with a body font, aim for clear contrast without clashing styles. Also, remember that email clients render fonts differently. If the exact font isn't available, a fallback will be used, so pick options that look good even with common fallbacks. If you can't find typography or font family, double-check that you're using a text block rather than an image of text, and that you're in the drag and drop editor, not a plain HTML view. Some templates may limit certain design controls, so switching to a different text block or template can surface the font options. That's all you need to change your font in MailerLite quickly and confidently.